Hey Vols, my name is Molly, and I'm going to share with you some information about the Tennessee Hope Scholarship. In this video, we will discuss the Hope Scholarship eligibility, discuss how to retain the scholarship, and other important Hope tips. In order for you to be eligible for the Hope Scholarship, you must graduate from a Tennessee high school, be a Tennessee resident. You must list the University of Tennessee Knoxville as your #1 institution on the TSAC portal, and that is at tn.gov/collegepays. And you must complete the FAFSA by September 1st in order to receive it for the fall semester. Other ways for you to retain the Hope Scholarship: you must be enrolled as a full-time student all semester in order to receive the full award. And you need to be continuously enrolled at a Tennessee post-secondary institution. I also want to add that dual enrollment in AP courses credits do not count toward your Hope GPA. The Hope Scholarship is reviewed at every 24-hour benchmark. If you have attempted 24 or 48 hours, the GPA requirement is a 2.75 cumulative. If you have attempted 72, 96, or 120, then the GPA requirement is a 3.0 cumulative. Other important things to note: that if your account shows estimated for the Hope Scholarship, then you need to update UTK as the school in your TSAC portal. You can go to tn.gov/collegepays and click on TSAC Student Portal. You can register or log in and update the portal. Your award will be updated within the next 2 weeks. Now I'm going to show you how to create an account or log in. You will select TSAC Student Portal. If you have not already created an account, you will select Register. Create a login once you do a username and password. Once you have completed the designated fields, select Create My Account. Then you should be good to go and you can sign in with your new username and password. If you have any questions regarding the Hope Scholarship, please feel free to give One Stop a call at 865-974-1111, or you can reach us via email at onestop@utk.edu. Thank you for watching, and go Vols!